33. Observe, harvest, cultivate, relinquish yourself. Knowledge is an ingredient for intelligence. Intelligence is more than knowledge and being smart. Neither knowledge nor intelligence is necessary or sufficient for wisdom. Neither knowledge, intelligence, nor wisdom guarantees enlightenment. One who masters others has power. One who masters oneself has control. One who knows others is wise. One who knows oneself is enlightened. One who cultivates needs and desires can never be rich enough. One with the Tao is truly rich, needs nothing, and always has enough. Using force to handle situations awakens opposition. Using timing enables situations to approach gracefully. One who is governed by circumstances lives in relentless pursuit. One centered in the Tao never shifts governance away from the Tao. The sage is never in pursuit and always where he should be. To endure forever, be still. Be in the Tao at the center that is beyond all change.